What's the exact process? If in the previous section, I told you that there are two ways to repatriate funds. Either you can transfer from NRO to NRE, right? Or you can directly transfer from your NRO to overseas account. So the process for both these routes is exactly the same because the documentation required is pretty much the same. So there are two key entities which are required in this entire process. The first one is your bank. So do ensure that you talk to an authorized bank. Let's say wherever you have your NRO or your NRE account being maintained, tell to them that you want to repatriate your funds. They'll probably give you some forms, most likely an A2 form that you can fill it up. In some cases, you would probably need a certified chartered accountant, a CA. So typically we say like form 15 CA and 15 CB is required. I would suggest something which I did is that before even talking to your bank, you can actually talk to a qualified CA, take their opinion on the documents required. Most likely they'll ask you for your bank account statements. The most important thing in this case is the source of funds, because you need to prove that the money that you are converting from your NRO account either to NRE or you're taking it overseas directly. On that money, the tax has already been paid in India. Only after that, you can repatriate the funds. So that's something, the source of funds is something that you need to prove because you just can't transfer any amount like that. So Form 15 CA is generally as a self-declaration, and Form 15 CB is issued by a qualified chartered accountant. Once he has verified all your documents, he or she will approve that whatever this person is saying is actually true. So he or she will just validate that. So once your CA issues the certificates to you, most likely they'll just take a fees from you for that, and then you can take those certificates back to your bank, and you can initiate that transfer. So I will be giving these 3 forms just for reference in my description link. You can go check that out. You can download those forms as well. And like I was saying, I understand this entire process can sound a bit overwhelming, but it's not that overwhelming as it may sound. If you want, then do listen to this video 2 or 3 times so that you can fully absorb this. If you want, you can reach out to me, but it's very, very important that you talk to a financial planner, a bank, or a certified chartered accountant to discuss your unique circumstances. This video is just for reference purpose so that you can be made aware about things. You don't end up taking the wrong procedure or undertaking the mistake, something that a lot of people end up doing that. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have gained some useful insights. I have taken a lot of time to research on this complex topic. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, share it with other people who you feel can benefit from this. And if you really want me to make more videos around the NRI community, if you have questions, then do let me know in the comment section. I am happy to keep inviting esteemed guest and financial planner on my channel to basically clarify any of your queries. We can do live stream sessions, but for that I'll definitely need your feedback and suggestions. So do share it with me in the comment box, and until I see you the next time, goodbye, take care.